Essaouira, Morocco is a charming coastal city known for its picturesque views, historical sites, and vibrant culture. It offers a more relaxed and manageable experience compared to larger Moroccan cities like Marrakesh and Casablanca. Essaouira has attracted visitors and filmmakers alike with its unique atmosphere and beautiful scenery. In this guide, we will explore some of the top things to do and see in Essaouira. Exploring the Medina. The Medina, or Old Town, is a must-visit area in Essaouira. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is known for its well-preserved architecture and narrow winding streets. Here are some recommendations for exploring the Medina. Hang out and shop in the Medina. The Medina is a great place to immerse yourself in the local culture and shop for traditional crafts, textiles, and souvenirs. Visit the Sidi Mohammed Ben Abdullah Museum. This museum showcases Moroccan art and history and is located in a former palace within the Medina. Enjoying the coastal views. Essaouira is situated on the Atlantic coast, offering stunning views of the ocean and the city's fortifications. Here's a recommendation for enjoying the coastal views. Walk along Rue de la Scala. This street takes you to a walkway along the battlements, providing sublime coastal views. Experiencing the local cuisine. Moroccan cuisine is known for its rich flavors and unique combinations of spices. In Essaouira, you can find a variety of street food, cafes, and restaurants to satisfy your culinary cravings. Here's a recommendation for experiencing the local cuisine. Try street food and drinks. Essaouira offers a wide range of street food options, including fresh seafood, Moroccan pastries, and refreshing mint tea. Other activities and attractions. In addition to the Medina, coastal views, and local cuisine, Essaouira has more to offer. Here are a few other recommendations for things to do and see in Essaouira. Check out the Fresh Market ***. The Fresh Market is a bustling place where you can see local fishermen bringing in their catch of the day. You can also enjoy freshly cooked seafood dishes here. Visit the Essaouira Nawa and World Music Festival ***. This annual music festival, held in the summer, showcases a fusion of traditional Nawa music and world music genres. Explore the beaches. Essaouira is known for its beautiful sandy beaches, where you can relax, take a stroll, or even try water sports. Getting to Essaouira. If you're planning a trip to Essaouira, here's some information on how to get there. From Casablanca, if you're starting your trip in Casablanca, the best way to get to Essaouira is by bus. The CTM bus company offers reliable services between the two cities. Remember to check the latest travel advisories and guidelines before planning your trip to Essaouira. Enjoy your visit to this charming coastal city in Morocco. Note, the information provided in this response is based on search result snippets and should be verified for accuracy and up-to-date information.